Hello everyone, let me walk you through the demo of Paynow Payment Provider in Odoo by BrowseInfo. This integration for Odoo enables businesses in Poland to securely accept online payment through the Paynow gateway. This module supports real-time transaction processing, offering a smooth and trusted checkout experience for customers. With support for multiple payment methods, it streamlines the payment flow within Odoo, reduces manual work, and ensures accurate financial tracking, making it ideal for e-commerce and service-based businesses operating in the Polish market. So first of all, we will go into the website module. Here under configuration, we will go into the payment providers. Click on that and here you will find a payment provider for Paynow. So here you can see the payment provider Paynow. Enable the state. After that, under credentials, you need to add the Paynow configuration such as API key and signature key. After entering this, we will go into the home page. Here, we will go into the shop. And here we are going to add some products into the cart. So I will be adding customizable desk into the cart and click on proceed to checkout. Here you can see the customizable desk into the cart. Now we'll click on checkout. And here you can see the delivery method is standard delivery. So we are just going to confirm the delivery. After this, we are going to choose a payment method which is Pay Now. So just click on Pay Now. After this, you will be redirected to a wizard for the Pay Now. Here you need to choose a payment method like online transfer, Blink, payment by card, click to pay, Google Pay, and etc. So I am going to select click to pay. Now click on pay. Here you can see your payment is being processed. Here you can see we are going to select the language English and we are going to click on pay. Now authorize your verification and click on back to the shop. After this, you can see your payment status will be successful. So here we are going to click on back to shop again and here you can see your payment has been successfully processed. You will be redirected to the thank you for your order page. Under that you can see the order number and in the payment information you can see the payment provider is Paynow with this amount. Now after this we will go into the editor. Under configuration we will go into the payment transaction. Click on that and here you will find the transaction we just created. Here you can see the reference, here you can see the payment, amount, payment method, payment provider and every little detail regarding your transaction. Here you can see that it is in confirmed state and here you will find a smart button for sale order. So just click on that and you will be redirected to the sale order for that transaction. Here you can see the sale order number, customer and under order line you can see the product and standard delivery. And in the chatter you will find every detail regarding your order. Now we will redirect it to the Pay Now page and here you can see we have created an account. Here under transaction you can see the transaction we just created. Here you can see the type which is click to pay. Here you can see the current date. Here you can see the order number, you can see the client email address and you can see the amount. After this, just click on the type and you can see all the information such as transaction type, client name, payment amount, date and time, point of payment, transaction ID, amount, date and time of the last update and also the email and the shop. Now after this, we will go into our Odoo interface. And now we will go into the invoicing. Open that. Under customer you will find a menu for payments. Open that and here you will find the payment we just created. Here you can see that the payment type is receive. Now we are just going to click on refund as we want to refund the payment. So here you will be redirected to the refund wizard. Here you can see the payment amount, maximum refund payment and refund amount. Now we are going to click on refund and in the chatter you can see a refund request of this amount has been sent. The payment will be created soon. Refund transaction reference is our sale order number 40. So we will go into the payment transactions under configuration, and here you can see our sale order number is created. Here you can see it is created for the refund. Here you can see every little detail regarding your refund, and the amount is in negative because it is a refund. Under that you can see everything, and here you can see the payment status for the refund. Here you can see the refund ID also. The payment status is pending because it will update after 24 hours. You just need to click on update status, and your status will be updated to confirm after 24 hours. So we will go into the pay now. We are going to refresh it, and we are going to the payment widget right now. Here in the refund amount, you can see the amount is updated, which we need to refund. If you have any queries about this video, you can ask them in the comment box and we will solve your queries. If you feel this video is useful to you, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Odoo related videos. Thanks for watching.